Many of you guys are asking how frequent do we water. We're watering our plants now because it's hot summer here in the Philippines. So we water our plants once or twice, I mean once a week or once in 2 weeks. It depends really. But in order to make sure when to water, just have to put your finger there, down there in the soil. If it's moist, then it's not yet time to water. But if it's totally dry, then you can water it. Hope that answers the question, guys. Thank you.